Principles of accounts. Past question number 6. When transaction causes an asset. When transaction causes an asset to increase, there is option A says there is a decrease of equal amount in the owner's equity. The owner's equity does not have anything to do with assets increasing. This question basically is looking at the accounting equation. The accounting equation that says assets is equals to capital. That says assets is equals to capital plus liability. That said assets is equals to capital plus liability minus loss. That said assets is equals to capital plus liability plus profit. So option A has nothing to do with the increase in capital in asset accounts. Option B, an increase in the liability account. An increase in liability account. If liability account is increasing, the asset accounts will be what? Asset accounts will be increasing. An increase of equal amount in another asset account. Now, this option is looking at if we increase furniture by 50 naira, and we increase furniture. If we increase furniture by 50 naira, that means furniture will now become 5. For example, it was 500, it will now become 550 naira. This option still does not look at cost of transaction of an asset increasing. When we look at a decrease of equal amount in a liability, if a liability is decreasing, the assets may not increase. It may still be at the same distance. So the major transaction that causes an asset to increase is if there is an increase. Option B, if there is an increase in liability accounts. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.